Hi, I'm Jody, the Blue-Eyed Crafter, and this is the project we're making today. We're going to use the mini Gable boxes. They come in white, and I just happen to have silver, but we're going to make it work. Okay, we're going to use the stamp set Trick or Tweet. First thing you want to do is get your designer series paper. I'm using the Toil and Trouble. It comes in 12 by 12 sheets. I'm using this one, and on the back here you can see this little stripe. So I used my Stampin' trimmer to cut that piece out, and I'm going to use that as like as the border, or the little ribbon piece that goes around. So the other piece you just need to cut at 1 7/8. First we need to assemble our box, kind of bend all the score lines. How you assemble it is you put the bottom, let me pin these first. Put the bottom part down, then the two side flaps, and then this just pushes down like that. Okay, now you're going to take try to kind of find your halfway point a little bit, so you kind of know where to go, and use your snail adhesive in just a few places here and there to make it stick down, but really good on the edges. You're going to try and take that center point and line it up in the middle of your box. This is just like maybe a 1/16 of an inch short, so you got to really try to make it tight. But we're going to cover that up, and I'll show you how. Okay, same thing with your little strip here. Actually, start here. I apologize if I'm not staying in the camera. I'm not new to crafting, but I am new to videos, so give me some time to perfect it. Okay, so now we're going to do our stamping. You need a piece of Whisper White and your little chick. And I'm going to use some Tuxedo Memento Black ink. Okay. Give it a second to dry. Then we also have, I think this is like a 1/2 inch, and I'm going to cut it down to 2, and I think it's about 2 1/2 inch. Then I'm going to take pumpkin pie ink, and I'm going to stamp the Trick or Tweet. And I'm going to kind of stay towards the middle. For this, I'm going to flag the end, so I'm just going to cut straight up the middle here. And towards the inside. We'll set that aside for later. Then I'm going to use our Stampin' Blend markers. This color is the light pumpkin pie. Color his little legs. And beak. And then I also have the light Daffodil Delight, and I'm just going to color his feathers. Okay. Now I have the 1 3/8 scallop punch. Just kind of line him up. Okay. And then I'm going to get the Big Shot. I'm going to take a piece of the gorgeous grape cardstock, and what I do with my, here they are. We're going to use the stitched framelit dies, and we're going to use the circles. We're going to use, I'll show you each one. We're going to use the second to the smallest one. And we're going to use pumpkin pie. We're going to use the 1 1/2 inch circle punch. And we're going to use, let's see, we're going to use snail on this one. A dimensional on this one. And then 2 dimensionals on this one. Okay, I'm going to put it on our box. Cover up that line. Then our little trick or treat, we're going to put a dimensional on the back of it. And I'm going to stick it right down inside here to try and hide even more of that little spot that didn't match up. And then, let's see, I got this mini striped ribbon in the gorgeous grape. I'm just going to tie a bow. fold it over, take my paper snips, cut that, and then grab a glue dot. Put it right here. And now you're all set for some candy for your trick-or-treaters. Now the stamp set and this DSP is going to be available to purchase September 5th. That's when our holiday catalog goes live. It'll be, I have an online store and you can order through there. If you don't have a demonstrator, I would love to be your demonstrator. And if you need if you'd like a holiday catalog, as long as you place a $50 order with me, I will get you one for free. So thanks for stopping by.